Welcome to Seeking Alpha's news coverage series, where we take some of the biggest headlines breaking in the financial news world and do a deeper dive into the companies behind the news. I'm Daniel Snyder, and today the headline that we are going to be covering is the possible acquisition of TikTok by the tech giant Microsoft. Let's go ahead and go into a quick recap of what's going on. Microsoft is working on a deal to buy the US sector of the mobile app TikTok from the Chinese parent company ByteDance. There's also talks of Microsoft potentially buying all of TikTok. The mobile app has an impressive 800 million monthly active users from 150 countries, but has been scrutinized for its security issues. It's worth noting India has already banned the app altogether. The US government has given Microsoft until September 15th to close on a deal, or they will ban the app from the United States. President Donald Trump says that the US Treasury should also benefit in some way from this particular deal. To be determined if this will be a breaking point in the negotiations. And lastly, Twitter and Oracle have also expressed their interests in either merging or acquiring TikTok. So let's go ahead and jump into the website and look at the simple page for Microsoft. The first thing I want to focus on is the ratings of Microsoft from our Seeking Alpha authors, Wall Street sell-side analysts, and the quant system. As you can see, the average Seeking Alpha author gives Microsoft a neutral rating, but Wall Street and the Seeking Alpha quant give Microsoft a very bullish rating. This kind of makes me want to dive in and look at some of the neutral and bearish articles to try to understand why some of these authors think that there's an upcoming downside to Microsoft. So let's go ahead and see how the authors and the Wall Street analysts are divided amongst the ratings. The first thing I noticed is that there's 7 bullish authors from Seeking Alpha, but an incredible 22 analysts on Wall Street are giving Microsoft a very bullish rating. I also see that there's no Wall Street analysts giving Microsoft a bearish rating, something to keep in mind. Next, let's look at the bull say, bear say section, which gives a quick and easy digestible overview as to why people think the near-term stock price is either going to increase or decrease based off of fundamentals or their technical analysis. This alone can help save you a ton of time when evaluating a stock by just knowing what the general consensus of the market is on this company already. So on the bull say side, we obviously see the mention of TikTok says TikTok provides a huge potential opportunity with one of the largest platforms, not just within social media, but within sports, entertainment, advertising, promotional content, and music. And with a quick glance on the bear side, we don't see any mention of TikTok. Kind of seems like everybody thinks that this is going to be a really great deal for Microsoft if they can close on it, especially if you can get ad revenue on 800 million people. Now, let's go ahead and do a quick look into Twitter as well. So we're going to go ahead and type in our ticker symbol TWTR, check it out. First thing to notice, Twitter ratings, the authors are average on bullish rating for Twitter, but Wall Street and the quant rating system are both giving a neutral rating for Twitter as well. And with a quick glance of the bull say, bear say, obviously nothing on the bear say side, but we're also not seeing any mention of TikTok on the bull say side. Makes it kind of seem like investors aren't even entertaining the idea that Twitter is going to have an opportunity to merge with TikTok. And you know what? While we're at it, let's go ahead and take a look at Oracle as well. So we come up to the search bar and we type in the ticker ORCL. And right away, I notice the ratings are neutral across the board. Last but not least, I want to take a look at the bull say versus bear say, since I don't really know a whole lot about Oracle. Here I can see the author says Oracle has a low PE ratio, which is good to hear. But this author on the bear side says it's increasing its debt and facing more competition, which of course I would definitely need to look into more before I start buying up shares of Oracle. And that's this news coverage. Go ahead and leave a comment below as to which company you think will be able to close on a deal with TikTok, if any of them at all. And just a reminder, if you want to try the amazing features on the Seeking Alpha website, go ahead, click on the link below and sign up for your free trial of Premium today. And I'll see you in the next video.